And Pratnya, one more thing I wanted to ask. Okay, it's looking cute now. Why is the lighting so this thing here? See,
You put ring light.
part of the ring light.
Yeah.
Just into deep, but the lighting is very bad.
But
open this thing, full. Like full even full.
Ring light you put it not as natural.
Yeah, this much is enough.
This is fine. And you can edit now.
Like
And it's
this,
camera. So.
Yeah. Okay. Little like this you keep, no?
Once again, we'll start now. Let me focus on face.
Do your ponies like this, na? Like. Later, don't forget to take
Come
pictures.
this side. Come this side. Little Avi come.
Fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, what do I say normally? I forgot.
Subscribe to our channel. Give a thumbs up. Like this
share,
video.
like
for
share.
these beautiful ladies.
Don't dislike.
Oh God.
What was the now I'm having that thing OCD now. I would really appreciate if you take a moment. I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I'm satisfied.
Okay,
now that
so
thing
what
will
you are
come.
doing
Okay.
today?
So today's video is going to be a very fun challenge which most of the YouTubers and most of the friends, like it's also called as a BFF challenge, where first of all let me tell the name before telling anything about it. It is Chubby Bunny Challenge. I know it sounds very cute, but yes. So what is this challenge? So if you want to explain, anyone wants to explain?
No.
I'm not gonna ask them how are you feeling coming to my channel because they are like on normal, what do you say?
We are forced.
Yeah, they are okay, you are not forced, okay, this is a whole plan. And now I'm not gonna be like welcome to my channel, all those things, because these are
they
like
are used
normal,
to now,
they
yeah.
are like
Always in background
daily
doing
customers
something.
of my channel, like it's like that, how daily customer is the shop, no? So yeah, so Chubby Bunny Challenge is nothing but we have marshmallows here. So let me give a quick backstory for this marshmallow. So this I bought yesterday because I thought like today lockdown or like what if I don't get, and I so badly wanted to do this challenge like since a very long time. What are you looking back and giving signals there?
No, I'm not doing
Okay,
anything.
so I so badly wanted to do this challenge. So I went to Nilgiris. I bought these marshmallows, and which is in two colors, pink and white. So then they all came to my house.
We all were so excited.
We always so excited, and literally I want many views and comments, likes for this video, because you have no idea how much we had self-control on not eating this.
Exactly.
Even though we three were like jobless yesterday, and we three were like
Oh my God, we were hungry.
we were
for
so
no
hungry and we were
reason.
so desperate to open and at least start eating. But yeah, not to lie, we ate like one each, and then one
No,
me-
today
and
when
one-
Avi was in the washroom, we both made half.
Yeah, so when she went to the washroom, we took one and we both like did half and we ate it. And yeah, so
That's like a betrayal.
But yeah, so I'm very excited for this challenge. So the challenge is we will be stuffing one marshmallow each at a time, and we have to say Chubby Bunny. That's it. So the more, and as the rounds go like increase, we have to stuff more, like each one, and like each round
Every
one
marshmallows
we have to
one.
stuff it. Yeah, every round we have to stuff one additional, like not removing that.
Yeah, we should not swallow
additionally
it.
yeah, we should not swallow it. We should not swallow it, and we have to keep it in our mouth only. And additional marshmallows we have to
You're
take
not
each
supposed
round.
to chew.
No, nothing.
How will you chew? No, nothing.
Okay, you have to just stuff the marshmallows in your mouth, and we have to see who can stuff more marshmallows.
I just
And-
wait. I just realized like okay, we'll go on stuffing. No, later after the challenge, we can't share it with each other. No, until
Yeah. The rules are that okay, the winners decided based on how much we stuff in our mouth
And how clear.
Yeah,
How
and
clear, how
as in
clear
when
is Chubby Bunny.
Yeah, as in when we are stuffing, we have to like say Chubby Bunny very clearly. Like you will understand when we start
yeah.
the.
So we have to the winner will be chosen on the clarity, like how clearly they will tell the
And
word.
how the number of like we'll be
stuff.
saying Chubby Bunny 1, Chubby Bunny
Bunny
2.
two, so-
Dude, I just realized we're so bad at telling the rules.
And I
Yeah,
just
like
realized,
literally, it's just a one line rule, but we literally took like one 10 sentence, like 10 more than.
I just realized how quiet I am. How much you both speak.
She's always the what do you call it?
quietest
Let me not
person.
waste time. So let's
Yeah.
just begin with the challenge. Okay.
Yes.
Round 1. You would want to start?
Okay.
Yeah, start. Take.
Okay, we'll put it in our mouth.
Yeah,
Okay.
stuff it in your mouth.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Chubby bunny.
One.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny one.
Yeah, chubby bunny one. Avi's was not clear, no, only.
Hey, I didn't say one.
Okay, tell
Oh my
now.
god, I
Chubby
want to
bunny
eat.
one.
Okay, now I feel in this round everybody's was clear. Like everybody were like fine.
I wanna
Second
eat
round. Don't eat, man, please. Either you give up on the game, you go and eat that one, marshmallow, or you be in the game and eat more.
Okay, should I say?
I'm still getting the taste.
Should I keep it?
Wait, let
Yeah.
everyone take it.
Okay.
This one.
Chubby bunny 2.
Chubby bunny 2.
Chubby bunny 2.
Okay, I think now also we all are clear, no?
Oh god, I'm gonna export this place. Okay. We thought this was not gonna be enough.
Yeah, we actually, it's our third round. Third round. Chubby bunny 3, okay?
Chubby bunny 3.
Chubby bunny 3.
Chubby bunny 3.
Little. Okay, it's happening. She's gonna lose, dude, like Ludo.
Shut up.
Okay, we'll just take it, it's fine, don't.
Okay. Okay.
Chubby bunny 4.
Chubby bunny 4. There's nobody in the mouth. Anyway.
Chubby bunny 4.
Little gone.
He's already gone. I think the competition is going to be between we both.
Okay, go on.
He's eating, dude.
How many months? I want to be how many months? I want to be how many months I there.
From where you both are getting space, my.
Start.
Chubby bunny 5. I'm done saying.
Okay. Chubby bunny 5.
Chubby bunny 5.
Okay, now we're going to
Not hard. Chubby bunny 6.
Chubby bunny 6. Oh, my god, cute.
Chubby bunny 6.
Oh, cute. Okay, chubby bunny 7, no? Oh.
Chubby bunny 7.
God, please, no! No! No!
Guys, I couldn't. I just gave up and
She puked everything out.
I couldn't. It was so pukish. Like I could feel that sugary water.
No,
It was
no.
very ouch.
And literally, no. But I was the one who was till the finish line.
Yeah,
I
actually-
told, okay, and then me and Pooja ran off, and then we spat whatever was there. But this girl is sitting in front of the camera and eating it.
Okay, let me tell you a quick backstory about Avi. She never wastes food. Okay, she doesn't like wasting food, and
Oh my God!
we didn't know that how serious she has taken that thing that she went through. And Pradnya is the winner of this challenge.
Yeah, she-
because
I don't
actually
know.
both of them went to the round 8.
Yeah, winner
No,
is not
wait.
getting enough space.
This girl won.
Yeah.
This girl.
But
So-
me and Pooja
Yeah, we had good
tasted
co-
8 plus 8 marshmallows.
My mouth
I
is
washed
so
my
sweet.
hands and come. You didn't wash your hands.
I washed.
I want to wash my hands. They literally puked everything out.
Yeah,
So guys, Pooja went to washroom. Can you hear? Can you hear?
She just dropped something.
She just went to washroom and there also she's so clumsy, man, all the time.
Where
Okay, guys. So
Winner
I don't
says.
know. I don't even know. With the blink of eye, no, this challenge got over. So it was like this,
Yeah.
and it was fun actually. But
We gave each other good competition.
yeah, no, and she was not a competitor for us,
This
but
is a
she was.
of 14 minutes.
But oh my god! But you know what? I was shocked about her because we both were feeling so pukish, but this girl, I don't know how she controlled. For that, she's the
That's why
second winner.
I was not a competition for both of you.
Because starting only her voice was not like that.
Actually, you were half eliminated there only. But yeah,
She was
it's
like
okay. Let her
50%
be.
gone, but then we thought we'll get her for wildcard entry. But
Yeah.
later we saw her wild version where she
She started eating it. Oh my god, it is.
It was very, but nice.
I don't
I appreciate the fact that she never likes wasting food, which me and Pradnya likes a lot.
That's why I'm their friend to finish off.
Yeah.
we give her.
Yeah, we give
I make less food, so I know these both are gonna give me food.
That is true, guys. That's
Okay,
true.
outro.
So I don't know. I don't feel like ending this video because it's
Stop it. Get some help.
Wait, let me
okay.
appreciate it. Please do subscribe to her channel. She's a very talented girl. She's a good dancer.
Yeah.
She, I always see this girl going here and there, doing a lot of work, getting time to shoot videos in middle, and you should be a little
Yeah,
glad.
that's what I'm doing. I'm nodding my head. Yeah.
And do subscribe to her channel.
Done,
She's-
yeah. Thank you so much.
She's a very hardworking girl. And
Yeah. It's too much hard. I didn't want. I just.
The winner doesn't get anything.
Dinner is not getting bow only there.
Yeah, man.
yeah, she's
For me,
always busy
conclusion,
eating.
she's a nice best friend. So
Yeah.
please subscribe.
And she's the only one we both are scared of.
I'm not scared of her.
No, she's scared of. She's
Such
scared.
a liar. She's such a
Hey,
liar.
one marshmallow if you want to take.
No, no.
I was testing you.
Okay, I didn't give any prize to her. No, so the prize for her is this.
Empty
Thank
mouth.
you, which I have to go and give it back to my mom.
No, but when this I remembered, like during our when I was in first standard or second standard, there was this competition which used to happen near my house, like running race and all. And the prizes were all these crockeries, like you could get all these plates, lota. Comment down if you have got one because I'm very sure people in Mangalore. So this was the signature prize that they used to give: plate, lota, and then tiffin box, all those things. But yeah, so this is her prize with one marshmallow in it,
Which you will eat it.
which I will eat it anyway. So yeah, with this we'll end this video here, and I'll see you in my next video. I just hope all this lockdown and all this COVID pandemic, everything comes to an end and we all have a safe. Why are you still waving your hand? Wait, let me finish. So I just hope all these pandemic and everything comes. Don't. So everything comes to an end, and I just hope you all stay safe and stay at home.
That
And do
is
you want to say
very
anything? Yes,
important. Be
very
safe.
important because I don't know when I'm gonna meet these guys again. I don't know how. Like tomorrow is lockdown, and tomorrow like the lockdown is gonna start tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. We have planned
Without-
like Zoom calling and all those things.
Yeah.
I just hope that works out.
Netflix party.
Netflix party, yes, I'm very excited for that. But never mind, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, if you like this video, please do share, like, and tell me in the comment section if you want us to do more of these challenges, like
And
fun
what kind of challenges.
Yes, also what kind of challenges you all want us to do, or what kind of videos you want us to do, like shoot for my YouTube. So also she has a YouTube channel. Follow them on Instagram. Their Instagram is bomb.
Look who's talking.
Oh. Bye. Bye. Okay,
I
nice.
will say love, lots of love.
Okay, guys. So
Just kidding.
Yeah, I forgot to say lots of love. So how do I end? Dude, I forgot my intro and outro only.
Hey guys, I mean,
So
bye
that's it.
guys, lots of love.
No. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you all liked it. I hope you all enjoyed it. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, lots of
Love.
Lots of love.
So lots of love until the next video. I'll see you later. Bye. Later, why I told. It's okay now. I can't do anything. Pause.